What if I told you you could build an entire Power App without dragging a single control, without writing a single Power FX formula, and without touching a single property panel? You just describe what you want in plain English, and an AI builds the entire thing live right inside Power App Studio. So this is not a concept. This is not a demo from some future keynotes. This is working right now, today, using Claude Code and Power Platform MCP server. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire setup from zero to fully working Canvas app step by step. Let's go into it. So our first step would be to install .NET 10 SDK. For that, I'll go to any web browser and I'll just open .NET.microsoft.com. I'll attach the URLs in description. Once it's open, I'll just simply click download, and I just need to download .NET 10 SDK. So it's it's downloading right now. Will take few seconds. Now you can see downloading is completed. I'll open the file for installation and I'll install .NET. Take a few minutes. So installation is successfully completed. I'll close that and I'll quickly validate. So I'll just open PowerShell and let me just check the version of .NET, and you can see our version 10.0.4 is installed. So now next step would be to install Claude Code. So I'll just write a command. I'll attach the URL and commands in description. Don't worry about that. And I'll download the Claude AI, Claude Code actually. So we'll wait for a few minutes. Okay, so our Claude Code installation is done. It approximately took 5 minutes, so you have to be little patient. So now I'll just validate the Claude's version. So let me just run this command, and you can see our Claude Code installed successfully and version 2.1.23. Now I have to authenticate, means I have to log in into my Claude Code, and I'll just write this command. It will open my browser, so I just need to log in. So I need to provide my email. I'll authorize. Okay, so our Cloud Code is set up. Quick heads up here, you do need a paid plan for Cloud Code like Pro, Max, or Teams, or even Enterprise, but the free tier does not include Cloud Code. So if you are using Cloud free account, you will not be able to use uh, these Power Apps and other things in Cloud Code. Thank you. So now I'll close this. Now we will make a directory Power Apps, and we will open uh, Cloud Code inside that directory. So first, let me just make a Power Apps project directory, and you can see it's created. After that, I'll I'll go inside that directory by using cd command, and you can see I'm inside that directory. And now I'll launch Claude. So for launching Claude, I just need to write Claude, and I'll just yes attach this folder. I'll select this option, and you can see our Claude Code interface is there. I'll just maximize this. Now I'm inside the Claude Code, and first I have to add Microsoft Marketplace here. So I'll just write a command here. I'll add a plugin, Microsoft's plugin. So it successfully added Marketplace. Now I need to install Microsoft's official Canvas app plugin. So another plugin, I'll just write the command here. Don't worry, I'll attach all the commands and URLs in the description. So I'll install for for me, and this one commands install everything: the MCP server, the skills for creating and editing Canvas app, and the syntax guide, all of it. So it also auto register the MCP server in our configuration, so you do have to manually edit any JSON file, so like we do in Power BI's case. So I think our installation of Canvas is also done. Now we need to create a blank Power Apps. So I'll just, I already did. So I'll just go to Power Apps. You can see I've already created a blank Power Apps named as Demo Expense app. I've already connected with it with data. So I'll just need to turn on co-authoring. So I'll just go to settings, and in updates I'll turn on co-authoring. And once it's done, I'll go back to now our co-authoring is done. I'll go back to, so once our co-authoring is enabled, I'll just split the screen for better visibility. Now I'll go back to Cloud Code, and I just need to connect Cloud Code with our app, and I'll just run this command for setting up our Canvas MCP server for Power Apps. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it is asking for URL of our app. Now I'll share URL of our app from copy link and copy link to edit app. It's copied, so I'll just paste here. And he's saying also make sure code 3 is enabled in the app. So we already did that. Okay, you can see that's what I said, that we just need to restart Cloud Code. So I'll just, okay, restart. So I'll just again try to reconnect. So okay, so you can see we are connected to our Canvas app. Now I'll just write a prompt here. So let's see what it does. So I've pasted a prompt here, and now it should be able to create a app for us. So first, we'll have a screen support here. Then it generates a file for the screen. This is how the canvas uses. So let me just e file. So it will just roughly 5 minutes depending on how many we have to be patient. So you see, it just planned and it asking that shall I proceed with this plan and are you there are additional screens. So I can provide the additional screens. Let me just so I will just provide our pending screens as well. So you can see agent took almost 12 minutes for planning. Now it's reading the files to create three different screens. Look at that. The screens and the element different items are appearing here. You can see after planning and all that stuff, almost Claude Code took roughly about 20 minutes for all this planning and implementation. Sorry, now it's implementing all the screens and items. So you can see in real time, it just Claude is adding different items inside the screen. So now you can see that is gone. Okay, so you can see the app is ready to open in Studio, and let me just check our app. So you can see expense track is here, different expenses here. So you can see by date, description, amount, and status. All the values and columns are not synced. And now another issue is that I cannot navigate to other screen. But if I click a new expense, I can add a new expense as well. I'll just go back and oh, that's it. You can see my internet is gone. So I think I'll pause this video here. Why? Because this was setup video, and in this video we already learned how to set up all this stuff, and we also created a basic Power Apps with Claude Code without writing any code or dragging any visual in Power Apps. So as you already saw how to go from zero to fully working Canvas app. So built entirely with plain English with Claude Code and Power Platform MCP server. So this is honestly one of the most exciting integrations I have ever seen in Power Platform space. So it changes the way you work or we work. So now there are more plugins beyond this Canvas app like Power App, Model Driven App, Code First App, Power Pages. I'll cover those in future videos. So if you're interested, so please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video. If this video helped you, just drop a like and comment. If you have any question, throw them in the comments. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.